What you say you now use? Talk to me now. You now use now.
Me not use no buyer.
What you say? What you say you now use?
No buyer. Because I kill serious. I can't done. I want to say one go. Fuck a young girl. He kill him.
Tell me what
The buyer.
Tell me what you now use. Tell me what you now use.
I use no buyer.
Look for me, man. I tell me what you now use. What you now use?
Me not use no buyer.
My people, I assume that he's talking about Viagra. Yeah. And if that him saying now use, I'm not want to use, then me can't rang him on that, viewers and subscribers, because I would never encourage anyone to use anything that can be bad for their health. You see? Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall, skilla. I'm here again. Happy New Year to each and everyone. And I would like to say to each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Alright, now, I heard about Bible and key before. I never heard about Bible and ring before, viewers and subscribers. So the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person doing this thing that is known as Bible and ring in order to find out who take money. See, now you're going to hear a certain amount of persons in this video, viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to tell me what I think about this thing that is known as Bible and ring. You can also tell me if you think this thing really and truly work or if it don't work in order to find out if someone take something. You understand me? I say, and I want to say to each and every one, please do not try this at home. Don't try this at home. You see me, next thing, dopey, go back, say, don't have some from a spirit, go hunt and them thing. They know, don't try this at home. You understand? Anyways, me go take a look at this video and then me tell you some more things about that situation there, or what happened. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, my people.
Pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and then not take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and then not take the money.
Then are you to come here to
I won't go nothing till last. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and then take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and then take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God.
Again, are you?
If it's steady. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and shall take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and shall take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and shall take the money. Buy some Peter, pay some Paul by the truth and living God, and come here take the money.
No, I see No, come in here, man. Come in here. Come here, all time.
My people on the real, me have to wonder if this thing really and truly work, you know. Me I wonder how it even work. You understand? Me I wonder if the ring supposed to touch the glass or if the ring for shake or what. You see me? And if I shake the ring for shake, how we not so sure that are the person nerves shake the ring? You know, me I talk about the ring with the string thing and all them things. You see me? I say, see, yeah, notice I see a Bible in the video. I also see another video that shows some things that the person had done with other persons. You can hear in the video before the person start do that whole Bible and ring thing to that point. You know, but the thing is, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that whole thing that is known as Bible and ring. You see me? And may I say this to each and everyone again, please do not try this at home. You see? Yeah, please don't try it at home, people. You see me? I say, me know you have people who not gonna do this none at all. But me still have to say it, I have some persons who are curious, alright? Anyways, may I move on to another topic. My people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a elderly lady threw objects at a person who is said to be a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, this video will be recorded within the country of Jamaica, alright? Why don't you tell me what you think about this video as well, alright? Here it is. Take a look, listen and observe.
Hey! Hello! Don't do it, don't! You can't believe that you want to figure everything out for me. Yeah? Yeah, man, you have me there. Bumbo clad! Hey! Put on your stone! Put on your stone! Put down the stone here!
People. Well, my people, if that was a different police officer, you know, maybe the situation would have been different, you know. You see? Yeah, the person you can hear in the video laughed. You understand? Yeah, more than one story. So I say, yeah, man, you have good and you have bad police, you see? Yeah, so big up to the person who you can hear laughing in the video, alright? I'm going to move on to another topic, alright? You can tell me anything about that video. Now, my people, I'm going to present to you pieces of audios that are circulating on social media, and these pieces of audios are said to be voice notes. Now, according to how these pieces of audios have been posted someplace on social media, and according to comments that have been made on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are wondering and assuming that these pieces of audios are from Beenie Man. Now, there are also allegations that were made on social media through comments that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying and wondering if Beenie Man is having relationship problem with his new girlfriend. You see me? Now, in my point of view, viewers, subscribers, I cannot confirm if these audios are actually from Beenie Man. No, I cannot. I want to make it very clear. I cannot confirm if these pieces of audios are from Beenie Man. You see me? I cannot even confirm if these pieces of audios are from one person. No, I cannot. But I want you to listen to these audios and tell me what you think, my people. Alright? Yeah, tell me what you think. Alright, here are the audios. Take a listen and observe.
So it's one funny now. I find a girl who don't care. And a business I give a fuck up. I don't give a fuck about me. Don't know nothing about me. Don't know where me I come from. Nothing at all. Supposed to look one of them girl out there. What am I supposed to do, babes? I know me not fucking baby mother. That will never happen. I chop off my cocky. But you left me now. What am I doing?
Drastic start.
What am I supposed to do? Yeah, my only hope, baby. What's my only hope? I'm gonna tell you no. But how the fuck am I gonna stay away? I don't know what to do there. So, if you can write a list or something, I want you to be my wife. I want you to be my woman. How am I gonna do this? I don't know how to do this. Because if I'm married to you, it's going to be public. And there's going to be drama. And if I don't marry to you, I'm going to go public. And I'm going to tell everybody that I love you. And you're the only woman that I ever feel like I should marry to. I love you, Maris.
Alright, my people, so, and I really, in my point of view, one of those pieces of audios sounds like Beenie Man, but I cannot confirm if it is Beenie Man. One of those pieces of audios. And to be honest, I'm not so sure that those pieces of audios are actually from one person. No, me I tell you the truth, my people. You see me? Yeah? But you can tell me what you think. You see me? I say, and I real, if I really Beenie Man that, in at least one of those pieces of audios, and if Beenie Man really and truly have some form of relationship problem with his girlfriend, then Jah know. That was quick. That's all me can say. You see me? And that if, but I left things up to you, viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think. I move on to another topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. In this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a motorcycle shown in this video is Usain Bolt's first motorcycle. See? No, I am not saying that the person is lying, but at the same time, I cannot confirm if the things that he said are actually true. No, I cannot. You see me? And I wonder which Usain Bolt he's talking about, because sometimes you have some people who will give themselves names after celebrities out there. See me? And if Usain Bolt should ever see this video that I'm doing, I would like him to confirm if you know the motorcycle shown in this video. You understand? Anyways, my people, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, Usain Bolt first bike. All over me get it from. I go, we all over go buy. Yeah, when I'm friend.
That's the way I say, yo, you see, imagine.
You understand?
Don't lie about
Bike, man.
that. Don't ask Bolt if he know it, you know, because you know what he go.
Yes, eh? Yeah, man. Zoom shank. No, joke. Not change
So tell him how his speed set up now. It's a fast gen who want it, you know.
Yeah, man, fast moving thing. You don't know. 1 hour, 180, 160 on the clock. Rev to left close now.
Yeah, say I let it go fam.
No, bro.
Put in the key, a button start.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Nah, last week. Everything up and running. For the same way. Nah, change it. See there?
Button start.
Right.
One press.
Oh, you call it lightning bolt. Give them something else out there. Lightning bolt.
Nah, change it, boy. Nah.
Yeah, fam. Yeah.
Well, my people, if I really Usain Bolt first motorcycle that viewers and subscribers, would I like to know? You understand? So if Usain Bolt see that video, let me know. Yeah, come confirm if you know the motorcycle or if you don't know it. You see? Alright, next topic. Alright, so a veteran musician who goes by the name of Shaka Demos made a video, and the video is circulating on social media. Now, Shaka Demos said some things in that video that gave me the understanding that he said that a taxi operator threatened him, and the taxi operator also had a gun when the taxi operator threatened him. You see? Yeah, according to some things that he said in the video, I got the understanding that he said that he was at a plaza in Portmore, Jamaica one day, and he was driving his motor vehicle when a taxi operator's motor vehicle was blocking his way while he was driving the motor vehicle. So he blew his horn twice, and the taxi operator came out of his motor vehicle and started to say harsh words to him, and also had a gun in his hand. Yeah, according to some things that Shaka Demos said, I got the understanding that he said that the taxi operator had a gun in his hand and said some things to Shaka Demos that are considered to be threats. See, he also said that someone who was passing by or someone who was at that location said to him, Shaka Demos, don't say nothing, because the person might have realized that the taxi operator had a gun in his hand. Viewers and subscribers, and are real. The things that Shaka Demos said in the video made me wonder what's going on within the country of Jamaica. The simplest of a thing or things can cause you to lose your life. You see what I said? But just so I couldn't know about the things that Shaka Demos said in that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And I also got the understanding that a municipal police within the country of Jamaica had been shot and killed. Yeah, I got the understanding that a municipal police and his nephew had been shot and killed. Now, that incident happened within the parish that is known as St. James, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. And according to information that I got, it is said that they both had been shot and killed during a drive-by shooting. Alright, according to information, it is said that the uncle and nephew was traveling in a motor vehicle when they had been ambushed by armed men traveling in a motor vehicle. It is said that those armed men opened fire, hitting the uncle and his nephew, and whosoever was driving the motor vehicle that those persons who died were in, lost control of the motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle crashed. You see? Now, it is said that they had been taken to a hospital where they both had been pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers, right? That incident happened on New Year's Eve within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, that incident happened within St. James, Jamaica on New Year's Eve. That is December 31st, the year 2021. You see? Now, there are also speculations, not only on social media, but out there, that the municipal police and his nephew might have been shot and killed because of the municipal police job that he do for a living. However, I don't have any confirmed information as to what caused that incident to happen, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the police are doing their investigation, and if I get any more information when it comes down to that situation, I will let you know, alright? Yeah, so with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, before I end this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to let you know that I got information that a person had been brought into police custody for the shooting death of a 10-year-old girl who goes by the name of Jezrea Tyrell. Alright? Now, Jezrea Tyrell lost her life when unknown assailants opened fire at a house that is located within Kingston, Jamaica on the 30th of December, the year 2021. I also got information that the police gave names of persons of interest, and I also got information that there are also allegations that the 10-year-old girl might have lost her life due to gang feud that's going on within that community, you see? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, me just make you know about informations that I got, let you know about videos that I saw on social media. So you can let me know what you think about everything that I talked about in this video, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.